Hey friends! On today's video, we are packaging some more bath salts for our wholesale orders. Are you ready? Here we go. There's no right or wrong answers. Very good. It may a little bit, but not too much. All right, so this is the continuation from the previous video that I just released. Let me just start by saying this. These videos are super old. So they're new to you, but they're old to me because I recorded this back in May of 2023. And it is actually November, 3rd, 4th? I think it's the 4th. Yeah, today is November 4th of 2023. So life has been lifing. It's been a little hectic, so I'm kind of behind on editing, but that's all right because we're getting there, baby. So I did go back and make some of this salt mixture for the other client because I have ran out and I need to fulfill that order. But yeah, the pink and the purple are lovely together. I would love to do more colors where it's a mixture of different colors in one bag. So we're going to start working on that and playing around with it and see what we get. All right, so someone asked me where did I get the baggies for the salts. I did order these from Amazon. I find it a little bit cheaper, but I'm going to reach out to someone from Uline to see if they have them and if they're heat resistant in the same size, because I could probably buy a bigger bulk and get it for cheaper. So, yep, I do plan on contacting them. And they report to the Business Credit Bureau, so it helps to boost up my business credit when I order things through them. You're probably wondering why I keep flicking the bag. It's to get the salt away from the Ziploc piece so that when I get ready to close it, it closes all the way. And not only that, but to help it settle some so that when I get ready to weigh it, it is more accurate. So, yep, that's why I'm doing it. Hey, you guys, don't forget we're doing another giveaway at 450 subscribers. May the odds forever be in your favor. I hope you win. I do want to incorporate you guys in the decision making on who should be our lucky winner and what they should receive. So drop down in the comments and let me know, what do you think that we should give away as a giveaway prize? So that little white tool you see me using, it just helps to close and make sure that the bag is sealed where the Ziploc piece is. That is a lifesaver, especially when you're dealing with things that can get caught or trapped into that little Ziploc area. It will help to push it out the way to make sure that it seals completely. But it does not heat seal it. You have to go back and heat seal it. Well, we are ready to start on our next set of bath salts. I've already added the oils and fragrances to this prior to recording. Don't forget that if you are going to add oils to your bath salts, be careful of how much you add, because the last thing you want to do is clog up someone's sink because you use too much oil. All right, so just keep that in mind. Make sure you test it and all of that good stuff. But what you're seeing me do right now is we're adding the color because we are working on Brielle's order again. And she got the rose bath salt, so we're going to make this a pretty rosy color. I have found that the powders work better, powder colors work better in dry goods versus liquid colorants. So that's what I've been using. However, I will say that if you are going to use the powder, sometimes it takes a little while for the color to become its true color until it oxidizes. So don't go too heavy, too hard in the beginning until you know what it's going to look like after, say, a week or so, because it does get darker over time. All right. But yeah. So normally I would add the roses into the salt mixture for this, but she said for her order she wanted to keep the roses separate. So that's what we did. No problem there. It can be done. So basically what I did was I took the amount. So no, start over. Blah 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 blah. Okay. So what I did was normally I have a set amount that I would put into each batch, and I know how much that weighs. So what I did was I took that and just put it into the regular bags by itself. So she'll have the rose salts in the bags, and then she'll have just the rose petals in another bag. Well, 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 the time has come. We are finally done. 2 wholesale orders down and packed. Don't forget, if you would like to place a wholesale order, you can call us or text us at 704-200-0364, or you can contact us through our website, www.touchedbydiversity.com, to place your order. Bye. See you next time. Almost forgot. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye.